Want to cancel your Figma subscription but not sure where to find the option? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, open Figma and go to the home screen. In the top left corner, click on your avatar and name, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Inside Settings, go to the Account section. This is where Figma manages your subscription and billing. Keep in mind, if you're on the free plan like I am, you won't see all the billing options, but if you have a paid plan, this is where they'll appear. Next, find the team or account you want to cancel the subscription for, click the drop-down menu next to it, and choose View Settings. From there, go to the Billing tab. Instead of a Cancel button, Figma uses an option called Do Not Renew Annual Plan or Do Not Renew Subscription. Click that option. Once you do this, your subscription will not renew at the next billing period. You'll still keep all your premium features until the current plan expires, and after that, your account will return to the free version without being charged again. And that's how you cancel a subscription in Figma. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.